Today we are learning about human brain and its functions. Okay? Normally this is a human brain which is protected by our thick skull. Basically, human brain is divided into two parts. One is cerebrum, another one is cerebellum. So this is the brain which is protected by our skull. What is cerebrum and what are the functions of it means? Cerebrum controls our vision, learning, reading, actions and etc. It will control our everything commonly. This is the cerebrum part, the biggest part of our human brain. Okay, commonly a brain needs a 25% of our energy to be maintained correctly. It will consume our 25% of our body energy to go on working and working. Okay, understood? See, this brain which helps us to speak, walk, listen, read, learn. These are the type of functions it will help us. And what body part it is? Cerebrum. And another part which is divided in the brain is cerebellum, which controls our balance of the human body and actions and controls our skeletal system. Balance. It will balance and it will attach it to the muscles and skeletal system. Because we have two types of nerves. One is motor nerve, one is sensory nerve. Why? Because commonly brain get information from our body through nerves, okay, which are connected to our everywhere in the human body. Sensory nerve feel everything and passes to brain. But how it passes through brain? You see spinal cord. We have spinal cord. Every nerves are attached to the spinal cord. Okay. From spinal cord, how it will reach to the brain? From spinal cord to brain, we have a highway like thing. Normally a highway like thing, which we call medulla. This medulla is like a bridge to our spinal cord to human brain. Okay, it will passes whatever the information collected by the nerves, which is going through our body and passing through medulla and going to the brain. After brain knowing the information, it will give the answer to move, to walk, to touch, to eat, whatever the information. It will send the information to our body again through the medulla only. This is the main part which connects our brain and spinal cord. So this is the human brain. The main parts of a human brain: cerebrum and cerebellum. Cerebrum controls our actions, vision, movement, help us to learn, talk and walk, etc. And cerebellum, which maintains balance in the body, etc. like that. And medulla, which helps our body from getting information through nerves, which acts like a bridge to pass the information directly to the brain, again to pass the opposite information to body. It will act like a bridge or highway. The brain is also protected by our skull. You can see here. So much thick and bony skull, na? So commonly this is our human brain. You know what are the functions, what are the names of the parts and what they do. Okay? End of the topic. Let's meet in another section.